Hey guys, before you look for shortcuts in life, listen to this Hausa proverb that says, Komin nisan jifa, ƙasa za ta faɗo. You copy that? Komin nisan jifa, ƙasa za ta faɗo. Meaning, no matter how far you throw something, it will land on the ground. In Hausa wisdom, this proverb teaches us one clear thing that you can run, but reality will catch up with you. Many people want fast money, quick fame, and overnight success. So they look for shortcuts by cutting corners, skipping lessons, and cheating processes. But you all need to understand that no matter how far a lie travels, it will eventually fall. And no matter how high a shortcut takes you, it will bring you back down. Our elders believe that anything not built on truth and hard work has no foundation. And where there is no foundation, collapse is only a matter of time. Social media shows us sudden success but hide the crash. We see the money, not the pressure. We see the fame, not the consequences. Shortcuts may give you speed but steals character. Hard work is slow but it's built strength. If you're tired of the process, remember that what is built slowly stands stronger. And do not forget, komun fani san jifa, to ku sani, ƙasa za ta dawo. See you in my next video.